Hey everyone, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm shooting over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, you got your click to call, which is great. You got your different drop downs or your different pages that you have, which is great. You have your about us, talking about your experience, and then of course how long you've been helping the Lehigh Valley, which 15 years, almost 16 now, considering we're almost at the end of December, which that's awesome. And then, of course, your different services, which you have to go on them in order to see what services they are. Wouldn't necessarily advise doing that because someone may just scroll past without knowing. So I would probably put what the services are and explain a little bit about them on your front page just because you want content. Because as you can see, there isn't a ton of content throughout your site or throughout your homepage. And what Google is truly looking for now is about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page so you can organically put keywords throughout your site. Now, what a keyword is any buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google to find your specific service in their area. But before we get into that, let's check behind the scenes of your website. So, divinequalitycarpetcare.com. Out pops your rank. We put it into Ahrefs, which allows us to take a look behind the scenes. So what we look at are the UR, which is the strength of your website, and the DR, which is the trust Google places in your site. Now, ideally, we want these between 40 or 30 and 40. As you can see, it's 10 and 0.1. 30 and 40 would be the golden ratio for each. Now, the way we get those up are with backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful link because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because a flooring blog is relevant to your service or carpet cleaning or carpet, anything that's in that niche. And then, of course, those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for that when people search it in, they'll find your service? So you have 68 of them. Let's check what they are. So bamboo, carpet refinishing, all of these. Okay, there's the first one that would actually be location based because all of these, anyone, anywhere that has Google can search this up. So someone in Tennessee can find these, can search these because it's just generic. So carpet cleaning Easton PA. 30 people, you're right now number 20, which either is the bottom of the second page or top of the third page. And then continuing going down, carpet cleaning, 20. Carpet cleaning, Lehigh Valley, 80. 30 are you're in the 30th position. So all of these, even the ones that are location based, you're not getting any traffic because you're far down on the totem pole. So let's check out what the best buyer intent word in your area would be. Allentown is the closest, biggest place. So I chose Allentown. So carpet cleaning, Allentown, PA. First thing that pops up is the Google guaranteed. These are the people that went through a process to get guaranteed by Google, and every time that they get a client through this, Google takes a little cut. It's different than ads. Ads are every time you click on it, you pay for that click. This is every time you get a job, you pay a percentage of that job. They try to get their money as any way as possible, Google. And then you have the Google My Business. So the GMB is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop and pick one of these three people. Not necessarily because they're the best, but they're in the top three spots. They must be good. So they'll stick with them. Then you have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So your top person is ChemDry. So let's check out their website. So just looking at their site, they got a lot going on. They got their header, they got their click to call, they got all their drop downs, they got what they do. I know they do a lot of different stuff, but they do have a lot of similar services. And then, of course, as you can see, they have a lot of content on their site. explaining what they do, or at least on their homepage. So let's check behind the scenes as well and see why they're doing well behind the scenes. So we put them into Ahrefs and out pops their rank. So their UR, their strength is 24 and their trust is 2.3. So they still have work to do, but what they are doing really well are their backlinks. As you can see, they have 788 different backlinks leading back to their site, as well as 217 different organic keywords. So let's check which buyer intent words they're ranking for. So carpet cleaning, as you can see, Carpet Cleaning Allentow PA, 150 people are searching that. They're in the first organic position as you saw. They're getting 21 people just from that. Carpet cleaning, 100. First organic position, they're getting 14 from that. Carpet cleaners, 80 in the top on the front page. They're still getting some traffic from that. So if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, we got to get those backlinks up. They have 788, you have 143. You want to beat them out in backlinks. Good thing is, those 788, most of them are working. So you can always take them and add them to yours. So you'll have more than them and you'll start, those work, yours are starting to work. So put them both together, you'll get a lot more URDR and start beating them out that way. And then you need more content. You need 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and then, of course, working back end or on all your other pages as well. I would separate your service pages into each separate service that you provide so you can explain each separate service so you can put more buyer intent words throughout your site, and Google can start ranking you for them. You're doing that, put them both together, you should start seeing more traffic through your site and more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you could leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a nice rest of your day.